Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install latest NetBeans. Also guys, I will be showing you how to use it for running your Java program. So NetBeans is one of the popular IDE for Java and many more programming language, and the best part of latest NetBeans is that it comes with an inbuilt JRE, so you no longer need to install Java separately. Okay guys, so now let's start the video. I'm simply showing you, this is not the step with, so guys, here I'm simply starting my command prompt and I'm showing you that I don't have any Java install on my system because I would like to show you that latest NetBeans comes with JRE which is inbuilt in it. So this is not the step which you need to follow. You can skip this part and directly go for the download part. So here guys, my command prompt is started and I'm just typing Java space hyphen version, and you can see it's showing me some message over here. That means my Java is not installed, right? Okay, so now let's start the video for downloading and installation of NetBeans. So here guys, I have started my browser and I'm simply searching for NetBeans download, and guys, here you can see the official website of Apache NetBeans. You need to just click on this link. Guys, it will redirect you to download page, and here guys you can see we have latest NetBeans. Just hit on this download button. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page where it is showing various binaries, installer and packages available. So just scroll down and go here, installer and packages, and simply click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page where we have different installer or exe available based on operating system. So whatever operating system you have, based on that you can hit the button. So I'm going to install for Windows 64-bit architecture, so I'm clicking on this first option, and guys, you can see at the top my download has been started. We will wait for it. Okay guys, so download of this NetBeans is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe. Let me just close my browser guys, and here it is asking me permission, so I'm going to simply click on yes button. And now guys, here it's showing me the installation location for this Apache NetBeans. So it will be installed in this folder. If you wish to change, just click on this browse button and change it guys. I'm keeping the default and clicking on this next button. Now guys, here it's showing that a shortcut will be created on desktop. That is okay. I'm keeping this default and clicking on next button, and now here it's showing me ready to install. So let me just hit this install button. Okay, so the installation process has been started. We will wait for it. Okay guys, so my installation is done. Now here it's showing me this message, that is launch the NetBeans. Yes, I would like to launch. I'm going to simply click on this finish button. So guys, my NetBeans IDE has been started, and here we have a different option for creating a project, opening a project. So you can create new project from this option, or you can go to file menu and you can create a new project. So guys, now let me just go to this file menu, and here I'm simply clicking on new project option. And now guys, here I'm going to select option Java with Ant because I'm going to create a simple Java application. So Java with Ant is my category, and in that the project type is going to be Java application, and just click on next button. And then guys, here you can see it's showing finding features. So since we have started IDE first time, so this window will be shown. Later on you will not get this window. So this finding feature is done. Now we need to provide certain details of our project. So here I'm just providing name as hello demo, and guys, this is the project location. By default it will go to this location. If you wish to change, you can just click on browse button and change. And below guys, we have one checkbox, create main class. So if you want to create a main class, that is a class which will have public static void main, then you can check mark. Otherwise you can create later on also. So guys, I'm just keeping this default. Here we have a package name. dot class name. So this is going to create my main class. I'm simply going to click on finish button. Okay guys, so at left side you can see my project has been created. I'm just expanding it guys. You can see my project name hello demo. Under that we have source package and src. Let me just expand source package. In that we have package name, that is hello dem. Whatever is your project name, that is going to be your package name. And in that we have java file where we will be writing our code. And guys, below you can see we have libraries. Let me just expand it. I have shown you that I was not having any java install. Let me just expand it, and you can see here we are having JDK 24. So hence I said NetBeans latest NetBeans comes with latest JDK. Okay, now let's go to this java file. And guys, here you can see the first line is package, and then we have class. I'm deleting this comment guys. If you want you can keep. So now in this we have a main method because we have check mark that we need main method. Okay, now I'm going to print a simple message. So here I'm typing s out and I'm pressing control space guys, and you can see system.out.println has been generated. Whatever message you want to print you can give. I'm just giving thanks for watching. This is done guys. Now let's run the program. So there are various ways of running the program. The simplest way is at the top we have this play button. Just hit this play button, and boom guys, you can see the output over here. Output is shown over here. Okay, so guys, this way you can create and run your java application in NetBeans. So guys, that concludes my video. I have shown you how to download, install NetBeans and how to use it for creating your java program. So guys, if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up to this video, and you can share my videos to your friend. If you have any query you can put in comment box, or you can send me on my IG also. But before that you need to follow me, otherwise I won't be receiving your messages. So guys, I'm there on different social media. All social media link I have given in description box. You can join me or follow me. I'm sharing lots of PDF notes related to programming and technical. You can find that on my Telegram channel. So guys, very important for me is your subscription. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.